Hello, we're the history hikers. We are at,
the Grange de Fontcalvy.
which is this big building behind us. Do you know what it is?
Yes, it's a Cistercian Tithe barn. So it's the barn where the monks from the Cistercian Abbey of Fontfroide collected their tithe, or where they stored their tithe, the income of it.
Being a 10th part of the farmers'
production
produce that went to the church as a tax. Alright, let's go and check it out. The Cistercian barn of Fontcalvy is located in the town of Ouvaillon in the Aude department in southern France. It is the best conserved barn of 24 that were related to the Abbey of Fontfroide. The barns were used to store tithes. This is a tax consisting of 1/10 of someone's agricultural production, like grain, vegetables, pork, wine, etc.
Around the turn of the 12th century, the monks of the Abbey of Fontfroide embarked on a series of land purchases and set up a system of barns, managed by lay brothers. The land of Fontcalvy was sold by its owner to fund his participation in the First Crusade. At the end of the 13th century, the existence of at least 24 barns is attested for the Abbey of Fontfroide, including the one at Fontcalvy. Built between 1297 and 1320, the barn was used as a sheepfold on the first floor and as a storage place for foodstuff sensitive to humidity in its upper part. Fontcalvy feels like a fortress of 20 by 70 meters. Its courtyard is surrounded by walls pierced with loopholes. Every Sunday, the lay brothers would walk the 20 kilometers to Fontfroide, the mother house, to attend Mass.
During the French Revolution, it was sold off and would still be used for agricultural activities until the 19th century, after which it was abandoned. The barn largely escaped destruction during the Second World War. In 1943, the Vichy Free State was occupied by the Germans, and the troops in charge of defending the Aude coastline against the possible landing of the Allies in the Mediterranean had decided to recover the stones of the barn to build their defenses. In the second half of the 20th century, the town of Ouvaillon would purchase the building and begin the process of restoration and fortification.
The building is square in its layout, with 2 floors. It originally consisted of a single vast room, later divided into smaller rooms by separating walls, one of which still remains. This room is covered with 4 vaults on cross ribs separated by double arches. Double and diagonal arches are supported in the center by a large pillar whose profile is created by the meeting of the different arches. The entrance to the building is located in the eastern tower. There's a cool 3D model made by Fowo on Sketchfab if you want to check out the barn from the comfort of your own home. A link is in the description.
This was the Tithe barn in Fontcalvy. We were the history hikers.
See you all next time, but in the meantime, like, comment, subscribe and all that good YouTube stuff.
YouTube stuff.
Yeah, I'm sorry, slip of the tongue.
Until next time.
Bye!
Bye.